going to learn about what are the advantages of effective listening. Before talking about the advantages, we need to know what is effective listening. So, what is effective communication? The first question which arises: effective communication takes place when the listener understands what has been said in terms of meaning, feeling, and the attitude. If I talk in simple words, I would say that effective communication happen when what is said is understood in the same context and meaning, in the same feelings, in the same. This is known as effective listening or effective communication. So what it needs concentration, attention, and time. It needs these three things. In order to quote, Swanson has rightly said that without effective listening, learning is a matter of chance. Okay, so today we are going to talk about the positive result or advantage of effective listening. So, first advantage is knowledge. Effective listening can be very informative. It provides new information about topic, ideas, and people. If you listen very carefully, very attentively to any kind of information, and you have the ability to restore it, you have the ability of retention. So it can be very helpful. Okay, so the second one is it also helps in solving problems. It helps in understanding situation, problems, and conflicts. And when you will understand the whole situation in a very clear manner, so it clarifies your thinking and helps to find solution. Simple. जब आप किसी सिचुएशन को किसी डिफ़िकल्टी को, किसी प्रॉब्लम को अच्छे तरीके से समझ लेंगे, जान लेंगे हर चीज़, तो आपको वो उसको उसके सॉल्यूशंस फाइंड करने में, रास्ता वो करने में बहुत इजी सा हो जाएगा. ठीक है, उसके बाद क्या है, इट रिड्यूसेस टेंशन. हाउ इट रिड्यूसेस टेंशन? सो व्हेन यू लिसन समवन सिंपैथेटिकली, इट गिव्स देम अ चांस टू अनबर्डन देमसेल्फ. They share with you your feelings, and see, it also strengthen the bonding between the people. So it helps in clearing bad vibration, that is clean the air. Okay, सो टेंशन भी बहुत ज़्यादा रिड्यूस होगी. आपको कोई सिंपैथेटिकली कोई बहुत अच्छे से सुन रहा है और आप उसको अपनी तकलीफ़, अपनी बातें जो हैं शेयर करते हैं, तो इस तरीके से भी इट रिड्यूसेस tension. Then the next is it ensures cooperation. How it ensures cooperation? Effective listening makes work and work environment better. Okay, so ideas and thoughts can win friends, respect, and cooperation. So by in this way it ensures cooperation. Then the next stage is strengthen bonding. As I said, okay, जब आप किसी को sympathetically सुनेंगे तो obviously है, it improves relationship and creates a joyous environment. Then the next is it avoid difficult situation. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है, हम बीच में इंटरप्ट कर देते हैं और हमें सिचुएशन की समझ नहीं आती और बिना समझे सिचुएशन के बारे में बोलते हैं, तो उससे कंडीशन जो है और सेवियर हो जाती है. सो वन कैन अवॉइड डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन बाय लिसनिंग केयरफुली एंड नॉट स्पीकिंग बिफोर अंडरस्टैंडिंग द सिचुएशन. वन कैन अवॉइड मेकिंग कमिटमेंट इफ वन लिसन्स विद care. So in this way you can avoid difficult situation. Then the next is enhance quality of life. It also enhance the quality of life. How it does so? Okay, सो जब आप एक म्यूज़िक को सुन रहे हैं, एक मूवी देख रहे हैं, या आप कुछ खेल रहे हैं, ठीक है, यू आर प्लेइंग, वॉचिंग अ मूवी और लिसनिंग टू म्यूज़िक, अगर आप ध्यान से सुन रहे हैं तो उसका मज़ा जो है, उसकी जो इन्जॉयस है, उसकी जो इन्जॉयमेंट है वो इंक्रीज़ हो जाती है. सो इन दिस वे इट कैन इन्हांस द क्वालिटी ऑफ life. So in the last, I would say that listening is a skill that we can benefit from improving. By becoming a better listener, you will improve your productivity as well as your ability to influence, persuade, and negotiate. Thank you very much. Subscribe the channel and like the video, and also press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.